Now, one of the services that we're most frequently asked to perform by our clients is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most devices are going to come with some sort of software lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier that sold it, and they have to undergo some type of unlock process in order to be able to be used with other carriers. Now, here with me today, I have a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. This one just happens to be from Xfinity Mobile here in the US, which is that wireless network that Comcast started up running on Verizon's towers. I think that was back in 2016 that they started it. As we can see here, we've got the Xfinity Mobile logo showing as it turns on. So that indicates the original carrier that it's from. But now their devices do come SIM locked to them by default, and they do have to undergo a type of unlock process in order to be able to be used with another carrier. Now here with this phone, we have our test SIM card inserted, which happens to be from Cricket, which is a prepaid provider here in the US running on AT&T. And when we turn on the phone with that SIM card inserted, we get a prompt here that is asking us to enter the network unlock code. I don't know if my focus will cooperate there, but that is the prompt to enter in a code that you would get from Xfinity in order to be able to unlock the phone for use on another carrier. Now, obviously, Xfinity is going to have certain requirements that have to be met in order for them to be able to give you that code. You would have to be the original owner of the device. You'd probably have to use it with them for a certain period of time, et cetera, et cetera. So a lot of clients have contacted us asking if we have a way to be able to unlock these devices in cases where they don't meet the minimum requirements, where they got the phone from someone else used, or if they decided to leave Xfinity Mobile before the required time period was up, or whatever the case may be. So we're making this video to let our clients know that yes, we do have a way to be able to unlock these devices. We have a method that allows us to obtain those codes directly from Xfinity, thereby completely bypassing their whole setup for having to go through and follow their requirements. So I do have the code for this device here, and I'm just going to tap it in on the screen. 728533820. Okay, so now that that's entered in, we are verifying, and then it went a little quickly there, but it did say network unlock successful. So the phone accepted the code. Now we get a screen that pops up that tells us about the SIM card, that tells us to restart the phone, and then we should be able to use it here on our SIM card. Actually, if I can get the focus to cooperate here, the signal bars are actually already showing up there at the top. There we go. It's showing the LTE and the signal bar connection for our Cricket SIM where it wasn't showing that before. Let me just do a quick restart here to the phone then, just to make sure that we do have full service and that everything's running and working. It's going to go through a bit of optimization process here to get the phone set up for use on the Cricket SIM card. This might take a second, so you can skip ahead in the video if you like. Okay, so now it's rebooting back again. And now we've actually got the AT&T logo showing. So the phone actually changed the logo that shows when it starts up because it knows that Cricket runs on the AT&T network. Okay, so yep, sure enough, if we take a peek at the top of the phone here, we can get the screen to stay on. We do have Cricket showing there as our network provider up in the top left, and then we do have the signal bars there showing on the other side. Let me go ahead and jump into the settings to show you that there. The screen's a little shiny, so my zoom isn't, or my focus isn't cooperating. Okay, so if we go under status, there we go. We can see that our network is showing Cricket. Our mobile network type is LTE, so we have full signal and service. Everything's running just like it should be. Now, this is a Galaxy S8 Plus, but we can do this for almost any Samsung device that is originally from Xfinity Mobile. So they also sell the regular S8. I know they sell the Note 8, and I think they might have a couple others. So if you have a Samsung device from Xfinity Mobile and would like to get it SIM unlocked for use on a different carrier, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in contact with us. All of our contact options will be right in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all the information there as well. Make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy down the road. Make sure to also hit the subscribe button while you're there to be notified of all the new videos that we're constantly putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone.